7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. Start the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body. 1, 2, 3. Switch right to right. Seat prep. 5, 6, 7. Give her a double turn. 1, 2, 3. Follow her. 5, 6, 7. We're going to open up on 1. Pump the hand 2. We're going to lead her forward on 3. Turning her. Grab the shoulder. 5. Check forward on 6 and place 7. So now on 1, we're going to start turning to the right. 1. We're going to hook on 2. We're going to keep the hand super glued. Right hand goes over our head. 2. 3. As soon as it starts going over her head, we're going to keep the palm up and elbow up on 5. Now we're going to drop into our left hand as we go forward on 6. Turn 7. So now I'm going to start looking at her on 1 as I give her a double turn, pushing right through. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to turn to the right, switch the hand behind the back. 5, forward break. 6, 7. Off this line. Now we're going to lead her forward on 1. Both hands go over the head. 2, 3. We're going to go back to back at the same time. You guys are going to set 5. Now we're going to start turning to the left on 6, 7. Looking away from her. We're going to step to the side on 1. Bring the right hand to the shoulder. 1. Drop it. 2. On the left hand starting to come up. I'm going to give her a quick right on 3. Follow her 5, 6, 7. Cross body. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7.
5, 6, 7. Start with the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body. 1, 2, 3. To prep. 5, 6, 7. We're going to do a double right. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Inside turn. 1, 2, turn 3, 5. Check forward on 6, 7. So turning to the right. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Double right. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now we're the one on the right. Over 1, turn 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to step in place on 1 to the side on 2. Quick turn to the right on 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross by 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
Hello guys, this is Valeria from Casa Salsa. We really hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to hit the subscribe button right here. That way you never miss our latest update. We also have a website. Check it out. The link in the description. That way we can also have a live class together. See you there!